My awesome viewers and subscribers, my YouTube family and friends near and far. Welcome back to my kitchen. Guys, I just want to say a massive thank you for you guys for taking the time out to show me some love. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to prepare and cook brown stew chicken wings. Let's get started. So guys, right here I've got a pack of chicken wings. It's all clean, washed with lemon juice and vinegar, and it's ready for seasoning. So I'm just gonna wash my hands and then I'll show you how to season these chicken wings. Guys, we are having brown stew chicken wings with rice and peas and vegetables for our dinner, right? So over here, here's my vegetables. It's just cauliflower, broccoli, and carrots. And over here is my rice and peas. I started cooking my rice and peas so that I can cut down on time, just to make it a bit easy. And guys, if you are new to my channel and you don't know how to prepare and cook rice and peas, have a browse through my channel and you'll come across a video what I already uploaded. Okay, so I am now going to season my chicken wings. So I'll be using chicken seasoning. I'm using a teaspoon because for people who don't know how to cook and they're learning to cook from start to finish, I'm using a teaspoon so I can give them a good understanding of how much season to use. So I'm just putting that amount of season because these seasons what I'm using contain salt. So no need adding salt. I'm using jerk seasoning, the taste of the Caribbean. I'm also using all-purpose seasoning. Tropical seasoning. Ginger, garlic, pimento seasoning, and this seasoning is a must. Ground black pepper. I'm just gonna sprinkle a bit of black pepper all over it. And I'm now gonna get straight into it and season my chicken. I do not have time for marinating. I'm gonna have to skip marinate because I'm teaching you guys how to season this chicken from start to finish. So I'll have to skip marinate. But when you're doing it at home, you can season your chicken, leave it to marinate for about 24 hours. Once you season your chicken, if you're not cooking it the same day, you can put it into a container with a lid, store it in your fridge, take it out 10 minutes before cooking time. Okay, so let's get started seasoning. I'm also gonna add a small amount of soy sauce. Do not add too much because I'm going to brown this chicken. You don't have to brown it. If you want, you can just add a good amount of soy sauce and add all the ingredients and you can cook it, but I like it when it's brown. So I'm just using that amount. I'm also gonna add some vegetable peppers, crushed garlic with thyme and hot scotch bonnet pepper, some white onion and spring onions. my chicken wings are all seasoning. Look at it, it look really, really good. So I've just put my pan on and I'm gonna add some oil and leave the oil to hot. Once the oil is hot, then I'm gonna start frying my chicken wings. And guys, for my rice and peas, that's looking really, really good, and it's on low heat. So this is my rice what I use. It's long grain brown rice, easy cook, ready in 30 minutes. You can use rice of your own choice. That's entirely up to you. And this is my red kidney beans, what I'm using. I soak this bean overnight because it's a bit hard to cook. So to save time, I soak it overnight and then it's cooked a lot easy. And if you're in a rush and you want a quick meal, then you can go ahead and use red kidney beans in the tin. And also coconut milk. Okay? So I'm just gonna add a bit of salt to my vegetables over here. Not a lot of salt, just a little bit of salt. I'm just adding that amount of salt. And I'm also gonna add a bit of pepper. And I'm gonna leave my vegetable to cook. It will be ready in the next 10 minutes. I don't like my vegetable when it's overcooked. So I like it with a bit of crunch. So I'm leaving it for 10 minutes and then it will be ready to go. So guys, I'm now frying my chicken wings. So I'm removing all of my seasoning, because if you don't remove the seasoning then it will burn. So I'm removing all my seasoning and then I'm putting it to fry, and then when I'm ready to cook it, then I'll add back my seasoning. So guys, my chicken is frying, it's all looking good. Look at my vegetables over here, it's looking good. I'm gonna give it 5 more minutes and then I'm gonna turn the heat off. My rice and peas, it's all finished, looking really, really good, and it smells really good. Guys, I'm teaching you the way how my mom teach me. Mom, thanks for teaching me how to cook. May your soul rest in peace. Love you, mommy, miss you, loads. So guys, these are all my vegetables, what I used to season my chicken. So I removed them from the chicken, fry the chicken, and I'm now gonna put these to cook with my chicken wings. But before I do that, I'm gonna add some more soy sauce. Why I did not add a lot of soy sauce? Because the soy sauce will burn the chicken if you're frying it. So it's best to add a small amount. Then when you're ready for cooking the chicken down, then you can add a lot more, okay? Right, so I add 2 tablespoonfuls because this is what's gonna bring the color and the flavor out in this dish what I'm making. So guys, this dish is gonna be delicious, mouth-watering, full of flavors. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to add it straight into my frying pan. I'm gonna add some tropical sun hot pepper sauce, and this is just to give it a kick. I'm not adding too much because it's not everybody likes spicy stuff, so I'm just adding a little bit. Okay, and then I am now going to add my chicken. Wow, look at that, my beautiful people. That is looking really, really, really good. Really, really good. So I'm also going to add a little bit more of my dark soy sauce. So I'm going to add it straight into my frying pan. So look at that now, guys. Can you see the difference? Look at how good it looks. That is exactly what you're supposed to look like when you're cooking it at home. Guys, I'm now going to add some water to cover my chicken. And then I've got some carrot here. And I've got some white potato here. What I'm going to do when my chicken is near ready, I'm going to add my potato and my carrot. So these are going to go in at the end of my cooking. So guys, I'm going to take a break. When I return, I will show you my finishing touch. So see you guys in a little while. Guys, look at my brown stew chicken wings. It's all looking really good. Look at the gravy. Gravy is all thick and nice because I've used a lot of ingredients. So that's why the gravy is so thick. This is the way how your gravy is supposed to be. Yeah, and it's looking really good. It's all ready for serving. So I am going to turn my heat off. Guys, my dinner is now ready. And I'm going to have a taste. Look at it, guys. Ain't that looking very, very delicious? Very delicious. So guys, I'm gonna have a taste. So please eat with me. Absolutely delicious. Mouth-watering meal. Guys, this meal is so easy to prepare and cook at home for you and your family. I made this video so easy for you to follow, step by step. So guys, well, the flavor just melt away in my mouth. Wow. Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like and share. And if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the red subscribe button, put on your notification bell, so that when I upload a video, you will be notified. Guys, thanks once more for the love and the support. And I'll see you soon in my next one. Peace out.